Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Savita Jaswal from BMC. I am working as a senior client relationship manager and we are based in Sharjah. BMC provide different type of services, work permits for Canada, and we have permanent residency visa for Canada. For Australia also we provide permanent residence visa, for US visitor visa, and for UK student visa as well as visitor visa, and we provide Schengen visas for Europe countries. Today I would like to explain about permanent residency as I am getting so many WhatsApp messages and calls regarding Canadian migration. So first of all I will explain about permanent residency, how does it work, because if you will apply for permanent residence visa you have to get at least 67 points out of 100 from your age, education, experience and language. And if you will get 67 points, then we can process the application, and there are 3 phases. In order to start your application, we need your all educational documents like your bachelor's degree, master's degree certificates. Only 4 copies are required. Then we have to send your documents to the Canadian assessment bodies. They will match up your education level with Canadian standard of level. So this is the first step. In the second stage, we need your IELTS. IELTS, this is a language exam which is required after 3 months down the line. And for the IELTS, we provide material which is free of cost. We have a 45 GB data, so you have no need to go for classes anywhere. You can study at home. And after getting the IELTS, we will submit your profile to immigration in Canada. And this is the second step. Once we will submit your documents, then we will get the invitation letter from the Canadian government. After getting the invitation, again you will get time to submit your all the documents, like you have to submit your police clearance certificate, you have to submit your marriage certificate. If you are married, you can apply with full family. And the major document, which is show money letter, you have to just show money in your account. These documents are required in the final stage after 7 to 8 months down the line. Then we will launch your documents, we'll get the file number. After getting the file number, you have to go for medical. After medical, if everything will be okay, they will release your visa or landing paper. It takes almost 8 to 10 months process, but it depends. We have some people, they got visa within 6 months, within 7 months, but some of them they got visa after 1 year, after 1 year, 2 months, like that. So we cannot say same thing to everyone. So if really you are interested, you can follow me through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through Facebook accounts, so we can proceed your application. And if you need any further information, please feel free to contact me through my WhatsApp number. My mobile number is 056-186-9089. So this video all about permanent residency, and I will show you some slides about Canadian benefits, why people are moving from other countries to Australia and Canada, because they will get lot of benefits apart from the job. That's the reason they are moving from here to there. First of all, this is a family migration. If you are married, you can apply with full family in the same application. Next, once you will get visa, again you will get time, almost 8 to 10 months to go there. It's not mandatory you have to go immediately. If you will get visa now, you can travel after 2 months, 3 months, like that, sir. Next, once you will get visa, once you enter in Canada, your visa will be activated for 5 years. You have to stay only 3 years in order to get passport, not continuously. This is a multiple visa. You can go, you can come back a number of times. They will calculate only your days, how many days you stayed inside Canada. Next benefit, once you enter in Canada, your benefits will be start from the day 1, like medical will be free lifetime for your family. Kids education will be free till 12th grade. After that, if they want to go to college, university, you will not pay full amount. They will give you subsidy being a local student. Next, kids allowance, you will get $300 per month for the kids protection. If you are having 2 kids, 3 kids, every month you will get $300 per kid up to 18 years. Next, unemployment insurance will be there. Unemployment insurance means you have to go first, you have to find any kind of job. After 6 months, if you will be jobless, you can apply for the unemployment insurance, which you will get it for the next 1 year. Next, retirement pension will be there. After 6 years of age, you can apply for the retirement pension. So you will get all those benefits from there, but you don't have right for voting until unless you will not get the Canadian passport. Once you will get passport, you will be eligible for the voting. After 3 years, you can join all defense services like Air Force, Navy, military, etc. But before 3 years, you will not be qualified. Next, visa on arrival. If you have a Canadian passport, you can visit in 173 countries without getting visa before your trip. So these type of benefits you will get it from Canada. And now I would like to show you some latest visas which we got it in 2020. So this is our very latest visa. This lady, she is from India and she applied through us last year, and now finally she got permanent residence visa. I believe she will travel to Canada very soon, and we do have work permits as well as for truck drivers, for plumber, carpenters. This person also from India, from Punjab, he also got work permit for Canada. This is a visitor visa. As I told, we provide visitor visa for Europe, for other countries. So we have so many success stories. If you are interested, you can call me through WhatsApp. Thank you so much.